Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? So help you God? How to prepare cross-examination in South Africa. What are some basic steps that you can use? Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. If you're going through a disciplinary hearing or a CCMA case or any form of case and you need to have some basic elements for cross-examination, that's what we're going to be covering in today's video. The first step is to make sure that you summarize what your case is all about. You cannot effectively cross-examine another witness if you don't know what your own case is about. In other words, you must know the basic elements of your version of your story. For example, if you were dismissed for misconduct and someone accused you of taking the company coffee machine away from the workplace, you must know if the charge sheet says on Tuesday at 11:30 you took the coffee machine, you must know where you were on Tuesday at 11:30. Either you were in your office or you were in another boardroom, you went to see a client, etc., etc. Focus on the elements of your case. So step one is to write down your case in detail before you even start thinking about cross-examination. You can't cross-examine a witness if you don't know your own case. Step two, effective preparation wins cross-examination. What I mean by that is, before the witness testifies, you need to plan in advance what you think that witness is going to testify. In other words, you don't need the whole story, but you need 5 or 6 points that you think this witness is going to say against you at the disciplinary hearing or at the CCMA case. The reason why this is important is because then you can anticipate what they're going to say and you can plan your questions against them before they even take the stand. Remember, you want to have general ideas, attack points that you want to have when you are aiming at these particular witnesses. Step number 3, when that witness is testifying, write down exactly what it is that they are saying so that you can accurately prepare questions for what they say. Don't skim over the details. Focus on dates, times, what they saw, what they were doing while they were watching this, how come they were focusing on you in particular, why weren't they doing their job at the time, how was the lighting in the room, who else saw this incident, do they have a clear recollection, a vague recollection, etc. Write down as much detail from their testimony. After they've testified, ask for a 15-minute break so that you can prepare your questions. Many employees make a mistake of rushing straight into cross-examination. You have the indulgence to ask the chairperson or the CCMA commissioner for at least a 15-minute break so that you can prepare your list of questions. Take that break. During the break, you are then going to prepare your list of questions based on what you anticipated them saying and what they actually testified. You're going to compare that with your original version that you wrote out in step 1. Don't be fooled. Effective cross-examination takes time. It's not what you see on TV where you think the lawyer just stands up, wings it, and that's the end of it. You have to put in the time in order to break down a particular witness. If you need help in your situation, whether that's preparing for a disciplinary hearing or a CCMA case or any kind of hearing, and you need assistance with regard to cross-examination preparation or assistance with regard to structuring your case, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.